Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new update on the WSM Presale. Did a video on this yesterday, was received fairly well, so I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it again. Now we also have a little bit more price action to deal with. Yesterday, of course, we had nothing basically, and now we can actually analyze it on via the OKX prices, which right now is one of the highest volumes. I think the highest volume is actually traded on Huobi. Yeah, like a lot. Wow, OKX is actually not... they promote it with the OKX exchange, and now it's not even the main exchange being used. But alright, so just wanted to do a little update. I mean, it's very, very volatile. Here you can see that spike that was not there before when we clicked away the chart. But we'll do an update. Right now it's still above. It's still above listing, but it's about 5 to 7% above listing or so. Like I said, I also participated in this pre-sale, made quite a lot of videos on that. I have sold, and I mean I don't give advice, but think about selling as well, because I do think ultimately WSM will trade below the listing price, and like a lot of people still bought with all of those stages. Right now, sure, a lot is staked, I know, so the selling pressure is less, but everything that's staked right now also will be unstaked at some point of time. There's a lot of token inflation with all of the rewards from the staking, so that will be sold. So the selling pressure will be very big. That doesn't mean that we cannot get bullish momentum from here. It's a possibility. We'll talk about that. Don't worry. But I would be cautious, all right? And at least like get your initial investment out. But for now, let's get right into it. I do want to say first, before we dive into it, that I also have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as Signal. So I also give updates on this, for example, when I sold, etc., etc. But you also receive access to a chat room full of traders and a trading guide. And for example, some trades we caught were actually this whole rally for FXS. I entered in A goals right here, lever we caught. So we have quite a few good trades. If you're interested in that, consider joining. Links will be down in the description or in the pinned comments. But now onto WSM. So overall, what we've seen over the course of the last 24 hours is some sort of bearish momentum here. There was also bullish momentum here, as you can see, that was pushing us up. I would say right now we're kind of at the crossroads of that. I would say the bearish momentum is stronger, though that has been going on for longer, and that has also been more respected. Like you can see with the uptrend or with the bullish momentum here, that it has been disrespected for some times. Like these trend lines have all been broken, for example. So overall, I would say like right now we're going to get a breakout with WSM probably, and that breakout is, I think you need to see the current situation. The following. So we have 3.5, which is a bit of a psychological support level, but it's also a strong technical level that's holding us up. And then we have this trend line, but this trend line is far from major. It's not that important. So basically we have this resistance around 3.7 cents. What's going to happen today is one of these levels is going to break. Which I think is the least likely scenario because of the current trend, how strong the trend is, and my overall expectations. Like I said, with the supply inflation, what's possible is that 3.7 cents breaks. If WSM is able to break above that, we'll probably rally up towards 4 cents, and we might even go higher. I mean, from there, a lot is possible. I think that ultimately WSM will get below the listing price. I'm not saying that's happening necessarily in the next week or so. So this is a possibility. But like I said, given the strength of the downtrend right now and given my overall expectations of the selling pressure, which I think will increase, I think it's more likely that we'll see a bearish breakout below the support level in the yellow box, 3.5, which will cause us to drop down towards the listing price around 3.3 cents. We'll find support there. Technically, it has been supported, but from there, depending on the supports, like if we get a lot of support and we're able to break above 3.5 again, then it's still possible to rally. But if we barely get any support, then that actually might be the moment that will drop down below listing. I'll keep you updated on that though. If you're interested in that, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.